Glad to have you join us again. It's still Business Breakfast on iBrand Television. Now let's quickly look at what's playing out at the Nigerian equities market. But before that, let's tell you that on Tuesday, the bears dominated the domestic bonds as the all-share index of the Nigerian Exchange Limited slipped by 0.17% to settle at 66,984.62 basis points. The market's weak performance was primarily driven by sell-off in Tier 1 banks such as Zenith Bank, Guarantee Trust Holding Company, and Access Holdings, leading to 0.47%, 0.70%, and 1.25% depreciation in their respective share prices. Consequently, the month-to-date and year-to-date returns moderated to 0.9% and 30.7%, while market capitalization settled lower at 36.80 trillion naira, respectively. The industrial goods and oil and gas sectors closed flat, while the banking, insurance, and consumer goods sectors closed southward by 1.1% and 0.7% and 0.1% respectively, while Fidelity Bank was the most traded security by volume at 53.39 million units, valued at 442.89 million in 297 trades. Joining me now live virtually to do some analysis of these figures is the head of research at Atlas Portfolio, Ademola Adebale. Good morning, Adebola. It's glad to have you join me on the program this morning.
Good morning. Thank you for having me this morning.
You've seen the figures, and then you have an idea of what plays out at the exchange yesterday. Looking at the fundamentals, can you bring us up to speed about trading activities at the NGS yesterday?
Activities on the fixed income market have been moderate, where investors are looking for safe haven for their investment. So the best bet right now is the equity market, and also we have moderate activities also in the equity market.
Also, yesterday, a new development actually played out at the NGS. We're seeing that the NGS Group PLC announced key appointments across its subsidiaries. The NGS also got a new chairman, a president of Ahonsi Anuigbe. I just hope I got that pronunciation right. Now, with this development in place, what impact will this have on the performance of the Nigerian exchange and its subsidiary as a whole?
On the exchange, we can see that the movement on the shares has now been the movement has been within 20 naira. So I think the management has started to bring in new hands in order to foster the growth of the company. So it led to improvement in the company's performance and the turnout in the NGS market at large. So this is going to foster the growth of the NGS, and we are going to see more movement in the share price of the group.
All right, so what do you have to say concerning the listing of 11.7 billion naira unit of bonds by the federal government on the NGS? What impact will this have on the exchange?
What we are saying is that retail investors, especially now looking at federal government, are taking interest in the capital market. So this to let you know that the money wants to be, the federal government wants to recycle the money within the economy, which is very good. So we are happy to see more money being pumped into the capital market, which will increase the market at large, and which also is a good signal for foreign investors to start coming in and start investing. And I think this should henceforth start increasing foreign direct investment, especially in the equity market.
So last week, two fundamental events actually played out at the NGS. We saw the listing of the Nigerian Infrastructure Debt Fund by Chapel Hill, and we also saw the listing of VFD, also at the Nigerian Exchange. What's your reaction to this, Ademola?
Like what I said initially, it's just showing that confidence towards the capital market is beginning to grow. So we are seeing more companies get listed despite the micro and macroeconomic headwinds in the country. We see some companies, new companies getting listed in exchange, apart from the fact we also have some that delisted. So it just shows that investors' confidence is beginning to grow towards the capital market, and more companies are coming in intending to raise capital in order to boost their company's growth. You know, when you get listed, it will enable more investors to buy into the shares of the company, thereby improving creating more money for the company to grow and do business. So we see that investors' eyes are beginning to open to the capital market and see opportunities that can be exploited in the capital market, which is a good one for the country.
Finally now, it's midweek trading activities at the NGS. What do you think, or what are your projections? Which sector do you think will be cashing out? Which sectors will be losing? And what will be the overall ASI as a market trading kickoff today at the NGS?
Yeah, but I think the market is still going to continue this movement for now, because some investors are still a little bit jittery of the country's economic condition. Well, so it is likely we are going to see a rise in the market today, because the market was down yesterday. So some investors might likely take profits, might likely take position in some of the stocks that went down, and then we can also see sell-off. So in general, it's going to be a mixed sentiment in the market.
All right, we'll leave it at that, and we'll see how the market is going to play out and how activities at the exchange will determine the trajectory, the midweek trading activities we had. So I'd like to say a big thank you to you, as always, Ademola Adebale, Head of Research at Atlas Portfolio, for your time and also your in-depth analysis of market activities on the show this morning.
Thank you very much.
All right, folks, let's shift focus now to our conversation segment of the program. Before then, let's tell you that coming up next on the program, as the continent continues to improve on connecting African countries through air flight, industry stakeholders in the Nigerian aviation sector say the huge benefit of implementing the Single Africa Air Transport Market project that's starting in the continent's single transport market will significantly enhance Nigeria's aviation sector, boost economic growth, and foster greater regional integration. Also, as the world marks the International Day of the Girl Child today, Nigeria's national and sub-national government have been called upon to redouble efforts to improve the condition of the country's female children. And finally, crude oil prices on the international market edge higher today as investors grapple with the prospect of supply disruption due to the Middle East turmoil. We have all of these to discuss today on the show. After this time out, don't go nowhere, just stay with us. It's still Business Breakfast on iBrand Television.